Hi everyone, welcome back to M.A.J. Customs. I'm Amanda, and today I will be showing you all how I made these cute glitter, if you all can see, Barbie stickers. Look at that. Using the Silhouette glitter sticker paper. And I picked this up from Michael's, okay? So without further ado, y'all, let's get into this video. Okay everyone, so we're here in Silhouette Studios and I have my Barbie images. Now I normally go to Google Images to find whatever image that I need or that I'm looking for at that moment. I could not get a really good Barbie one off of Google, so I went on Etsy's and I found a store that had 100 plus images for about $2.38. I scrolled through each and every one of them, found the ones that I thought would be cute with this glitter sticker paper, and just went ahead and downloaded and then opened it up and dragged it over into Silhouette Studios. So with that being said, now that you have each picture that you want in Silhouette Studios, we are going to, and I'll show you with this image right here, this Barbie logo. We are going to, don't pay me no mind right now because I'm just deleting this so I can show you all what I did. So this Barbie logo right here, we are going to offset over from the right hand side of your panel. You're going to click on this little icon that looks like a star and you're going to hit offset. Now what I do is I like to go up here on top. Do you see where it says 0.00 PT? That I'm going to hit the arrow going up, and that is going to up the thickness around my Barbie. That's going to up the thickness of the offset, just because I want to make sure that the cut lines are good to go, because normally it warns you when you go to cut your image out and they'll tell you like some of them are not going to be cut. So with that being said, once you individually offset each image, now we are going to print them, because we have to print them before we can actually cut them, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go over to my inkjet printer and show you all what they look like when they come out of there, and then I'll come back and show you all the steps after. Okay, so this is my inkjet printer. Here's the printer paper that I will be using, Silhouette Studios. All right, and there you go. I picked this up from Michael's, and this is the printer that I have. Get y'all in there. It's just the HP, and it's also right here in the front, right there. That's the one that I'm using. It's an inkjet printer, and you all, I love this printer. I'm not even gonna lie, I do. Okay, so now I'm going to take my sticker paper, which is right here. Now you will see these corners don't have that glitter effect, and that is only so the machine can read your registration marks once printed. So remember to know which way your printer will be printing out, because if not, then it's going to print on the wrong side. I'm going to face mine with the glitter facing down into the tray, because the way my printer prints is going to come out like this. Okay, so my glitter side will go down, and now I'm going to go back to the computer and just hit print. And make sure you have your paper size at 8.5 by 11. And I don't remember, I want to say I paid no more than $10 for this glitter sticker paper, you all. I had this for quite some time, as I do with other projects that I just kick to the side, because I'm always starting something different. But I'm happy that I finally got around to use this. Oh my God, I made it. I ended up using these little stickers, which you all probably seen a short that I made for a little girl whose grandmother purchased her the Barbie 12-ounce kid tumbler. So I thought that was so cute to put in there. So this is what they look like. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. Really cute. Really, really, really cute. Okay, now let's go over to Silhouette Studio so I can show you the cut settings. Okay, you all, so this is the mat that I will be using, and this mat is very old, and I keep this because a lot of times some of the paper, like the transfer papers and stuff that we use, it will not want to come up on a mat that has a really good grip. So I usually just put stuff like that on this very old mat that's really not that sticky. That way I don't have a hard time for it to lift up. Now, what I do to protect it from not coming up is I use our heat transfer tape to go ahead and tape along the sides in each corner. And I'm going to, give me 1 second so I can find, oh, here it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna take my heat transfer tape, or yeah, heat resistant tape, what we use for sublimation, and I'm going to just place a little piece on each. Do not cover your registration marks. Please do not do that. And now I'm going to go over to the Cameo 4, slide it in there, and let's pray that it picks up the registration marks, okay? All right, everyone, here's my Cameo 4, and I am going to just make sure I line my mat up against this gray line that we have right here. Loading it up. I'm going to hit send on my, now it's telling me right now on my Silhouette Studio that some of my cut lines on my design are overlapping the cut. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go for it, just because I want to just finish out this video to show you all what they look like when they're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click on yes, go ahead and continue. And let's hope it picks up the registration marks. All right, so there it picked it up because it automatically took it all the way in. And because my Cameo tends to get loud, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part out and just show you all the process after they're done being cut, okay? It doesn't sound that loud right now, but my sticker paper is moving. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold my sticker paper and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, let's talk about it. So this sticker paper cutout was from this morning, right? The settings I just told you to use, they worked with no issue, okay? For the second one that I actually did record, it, when I said that it had the paper, the glitter paper was moving, I thought I could save them. Well, it cut out one, but for some reason it only gave me one pass. Which is okay, because I can still cut these out with my scissors that I have like this, with the little zigzag in it, the little, and I could still give them out like that if I want to give them to somebody. I can just cut them up just like so and give them away, right? I can still save these, which is okay. So with that being said, okay, I went in a third time right here, and with the same settings. I think my Cameo 4 just got thrown off when the sticker paper moved, so I had to shut it completely down and just went back in and redid it. So as you can see right here, for some reason it started getting thrown off. I don't know why. I honestly don't. This one didn't cut. Oh yeah, it did. And this one. So for the most part, it did for some reason work up until it got to these two. It got just thrown off. But look at that. So for the most part, you all, it did work. I just wanted to show you all, yeah, screw ups happen, mistakes happen. You know, it's just all about getting through it and getting it done, okay? So they came out really cute, really, really cute. And I made these, like I said, to add to the little Barbie tumbler that I made for someone. All right. So if you all like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.